the digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food into smaller particles that can be used by the body. When you break down food, yeah, when you see you eat, drink for energy to live, the food has to go through a process in which that the body can use it. The eggs, sausages, KFC, chicken, all these things. Now, in the digestive system, the organs of the digestive system are the stomach, small intestines, large intestines, and rectum. Salivary glands. It starts in your mouth when you start to chew food, right? Now, these are from under your tongue or up in your cheeks. A good way to know where they are, if you see you put a sour gum or sweet in your mouth, you actually feel they secreted into your mouth from those glands. And as you see the food is chewed, it comes up more to help you soften your food. Like if you see you put a bit of dry bread or cricks in your mouth. All right. This part of your digestion is called mechanical digestion, where you see start to break up the food using your teeth. All right, along with the saliva. Now, these salivary glands also secrete enzymes which break down starches in the mouth. And the starches consist of what? Yeah, things like bread and rice and so forth. The esophagus is a muscular tube which creates a peristaltic wave to carry solid food from the throat to the stomach. What do you mean by that fancy word? Actually, when you see you swallow the food, when you eat up your tongue, you go back, it goes on its tube. And the tube actually have things that moves in it. It's like it helps to push the food down, right? Then down to your stomach, okay? So it goes from your mouth, here, you swallow, and it goes on. And as I say, it creates a wave, the peristaltic wave, and pushes the food down to your stomach. When the food reaches your stomach, it churns and secretes enzymes and acid for food digestion. It's a whole complex system inside here. Now I mean churns. It's woke up. It moves and like crushes the food, not like a mouth, huh? All right, not like your teeth. And along with the different juices inside there, as I mentioned, the different acids inside there, it breaks your food down, all the chicken and the meat and the cabbages and the apples and so forth you eat. Yeah, it does that. Small intestines, after you finish in your stomach here, it's broken down into a liquidy substance and it moves into your small intestines. Now, the chemical digestion continues here, where the nutrients are absorbed into your bloodstream. Yeah, so after you eating all those nice foods and so forth, all the bad foods, it digests and it starts to absorb into your bloodstream. So your protein will go in here and your vitamins and so forth. Now, this is a pancreas. What does the pancreas do? Now, it's a kind of fancy thing, right? I'll tell you, obviously, work together to help aid in digestion so your food can be used properly. This one secrets enzyme for starch and protein digestion. So, like, for instance, when you eat a lot of meat and so forth, the pancreas helps to break it down. All right? And starch, rice, and flour, bread, and so forth. Okay? Now, what's the liver about? It's also it's useful in which it processes digested food into substances for the body. It secretes bile. We'll learn bile in a while from now. Or for fat digestion, now it's for. And to remove toxins from the blood. So the liver is very important. It's like a cleaner. You know what I mean? You have to clean your blood out. So it's very important. Now the gallbladder, this is the one that stores the bile for here. Alright? It stores the bile. So it's a small little organ here. And as you get a bit older, suppose you learn more about this gallbladder. It's very important, and as you see, we get into adulthood, we have to take care of our body because this can cause like a problem. Colon. Now, here we have the large intestine. And in the large intestine, it absorbs all the water from the food that was not digested, the wasted food. Yeah. And the colon here does that, main part here. So all this yellow part is the large intestines. What comes next? Yeah. Goes down where it goes into your rectum. Food we don't need anymore. And this is where it comes out a bit smelly. And we know what we call that number two. All right. And this goes into the rectum, and it's the part of the large intestine, the last part, where it eliminates or gets rid of waste material from the body. Now that's the hard material. That's not the liquid that comes as urine or you say pee. All right. This is the other side, number two, not number one. This is a simple diagram, along with the other one showing you different parts of your digestive system. Okay, so you can look at all of these here. And some are a bit higher in grade 5, but it's good to learn these things. You never limit yourself to what you just learn in school. Only you can read and watch videos, learn new things. It's good to learn new things. It makes you feel much better of yourself and you have more knowledge.